Second, Madam Chair.
Pero
Yes, I'd just like to comment that I agree on that as well. Pareho po yan ng PhilHealth, ng CHED at yung NFA. Didikdikin din po natin sila kasi meron pong mga iba na merong ganong haka-haka, may pag-aalinlangan na parang hindi yata kaya ng NFA na mag-procure ng 9 billion pesos worth of equipment in 1 year. Pero samot-sari po kasi ito eh. There's a component for trucks, there's a component for drying and millers, component for storage facilities. I think silo storage, meron din po. So iba-iba naman po siya nakaspread out. Pero may assurance po to the members of the BARC, didikdikin din po natin yung NFA at kung makita po natin na hindi nila kaya na ma-utilize po yung 9 bilyon ay ako na po mismo yung mag-advocate na bawasan kasi baka hindi po nila magamit yung pondo. Thank you, SBC. I yield for the ruling.
yes, was there an amount mentioned already?
It was a motion, duly seconded, but with extreme scrutiny.
If I heard correctly, Madam Chair, this is the 9
Yes.
billion. So,
9 billion, 106,258 million.
the request by the agency.
Is yes, my proposal po, Mr. Chair, is to retain the original proposal of the NFA, which is 9,212,516,000.
Okay, so there's a motion, duly seconded. Any objections? Hearing none, motion is approved.
COMSEC, please also note that that is a conditional approval, so that's NIA, that's NFA, that's CHED, that's PhilHealth, and STEP so far. Paki-highlight na lang po.
Chair, extreme scrutiny.
Pending extreme scrutiny, as said by Representative Alvarez. The next proposal po that I would like to put forth is for us to be able to put additional funds towards the presidential assistance to farmers and fisher folk. This is, aside from this being a request from the Department of Agriculture, this is also a special request from our beloved Speaker, Boji D, para po mas marami po tayong matulungan ng mga magsasaka. The proposal is to be able to help at least 1 million farmers, and the current proposal po, the current guidelines of the presidential assistance to farmers and fisher folk allow for 7,000 pesos per beneficiary. So if we multiply 1 million farmers by 7,000 pesos grant per beneficiary, that would come to 7 billion pesos. So I would like to propose that for the deliberation and consideration of the BARC.
Move to approve.
Second.
Yes.
Actually, I support the fundings for this proposed allocation. However, ang gusto ko lang sanang sa body, baka po pwedeng gawin na lang, i-reduce natin into 5,000 para mas marami tayong beneficiaries na mabibigyan. Is it possible?
If I may respond
But I support the
Yes.
proposed allocation.
Okay. With regards to that, I recognize Chair Mika Swansing.
Thank you, SVC. With regard to that, hindi pa po natin pwedeng galawin kasi there was a memorandum with particularly setting the guidelines of the PAF. Nakalagay po kasi doon up until December 31, 2025. Ang guidelines po ay 7,000 pesos per beneficiary. So, maghihintay pa po tayo ng decision on the part of DA in coordination with the Office of the President kung gagalawin po ba yung amount per beneficiary as per the
I
guidelines.
submit, Madam Chairman.
Thank you very much po.
So thank you, Chair Mika Swansing. There is a pending motion, duly seconded, with no objection. Motion is approved.
Thank you very much po. Matutuwa po ang 1 milyong mga magsasaka. Maraming salamat po to the members of the BARC. Next would be ito po muna. Crop insurance program. Isa po kasi sa mga nakikita nating problema, especially in times of calamity. wala pong crop insurance or hindi po sapat yung pondo para sa crop insurance para matulungan yung ating mga magsasaka. So, if I may, please propose an additional funding of 1 billion pesos for crop insurance, for the provision of crop insurance for farmers, for the deliberation and consideration of the body.
Madam Chair, I move to approve this budget as it's badly needed.
Second, Madam Chair.
So, there's a motion and duly seconded. There's no objection. Motion is approved.
Madam Chair, I move for the omnibus approval of all the DA proposed BARSI projects.
I'll rapid fire this, I promise. My apologies. Sige po. I will move next to solar-powered irrigation system. My proposal po is to retain the full proposal of the Department of Agriculture, which is to add an additional 4,076,255,000 towards solar-powered irrigation system.
Madam Chair, I move that we restore that budget and keep it as is.
Second.
So there is a motion. Are there any second?
Second.
Duly seconded. So an additional 4,776,255,000 pesos for the solar-powered irrigation system is approved. Thank you.
Thank you very much to the members of the BARC. The next proposal is with regard to deep water ports for agri-industrial products under the PFDA. This is in line with the prioritization of the President to create at least 10 deep water fish ports, ports of differing nature, actually. 10 different types of ports throughout the country. So what's included in the current proposal is 2.4 billion, which would pave the way for the construction of 3 deep water ports for agri-industrial products.
Madam Chair, as former chairman of the Committee on Aquaculture and Fisheries, I move that we approve this budget because it's badly
Second
needed.
motion.
So there's a motion, duly seconded, no objection. So budget for deep water ports for agri-industrial product to the tune of 2,400,000,000 is approved.
Thank you very much, members of the BARC. Next would be also in line with the guidance and the direction of the President to establish fish ports all over the country. I would like to propose for the consideration of the body additional funding for the construction, rehabilitation, and improvement of fish ports. The proposal of the DA is an additional 3 billion. However, I would put forth for the consideration of the body 2 billion pesos in additional funding.
To approve. Second.
Okay, there's a motion, duly seconded with no objection. 2 billion pesos additional funding for the construction, rehabilitation, improvement of fish ports is approved.
Thank you very much to the body. Next, I would like to propose additional funding for the construction of cold storages all over the country. The proposal is to add 1.5 billion pesos. Meron na po sa NEP, but the proposal is to add an additional 1.5 billion pesos.
Move to approve, Madam Chair.
Okay, motion and duly, there's a motion and duly seconded. So an additional 1.5 billion for cold storages is hereby approved.
Thank you very much po. The cold storages would primarily help our farmers. So para po hindi na nila kailangan ibenta yung kanilang mga produkto sa mababang halaga. Meron silang option po na i-imbak muna, hintayin na tumaas-taas yung presyo bago po nila ibenta. So thank you very much po to the members of the BARC for approving that. The next is with regard to the National Soil Health Program. Very important po because there are instances wherein farmers plant crops whenever, even though hindi po akma yung kanilang tinatanim doon sa nutritional content nung kanilang lupa sa kanilang sakahan. So I would like to propose for the inclusion of additional budget for the National Soil Health Program. The original amount requested by DA is 2 billion pesos. However, I would like to put forth a proposal of an addition of 1 billion pesos.
Move to approve, Madam Chair.
There's a
Mr. Chair.
motion. Any second? Duly seconded with no objection. An additional 1 billion pesos for
Soil Health.
National Soil Health Program is approved.
Thank you very much po to the members of the Bar C. The next is to enhance sugar production, additional funding for enhancing sugar production project or the Farm to Mill Road program of the Sugar Regulatory Agency. The proposal of the SRA is to increase the budget by 1 billion pesos. The proposal I would like to put forth is to increase it by 2 billion pesos.
Okay, there's a motion.
Move to approve, Madam Chair.
There's a motion. Any
Second.
second? Duly seconded. No objection. So additional 2 billion pesos for the Enhancing Sugar Production Project and Farm to Mill Road is approved.
Thank you very much to the members of the Bar C. And the final project proposal, a proposal that I would like to submit for the consideration of the Bar C is with regard to increasing funding for the massive coconut planting program under the Philippine Coconut Authority. The request of the DA is to increase it by 4.75 billion. However, I would like to put forth a proposal of 2 billion pesos.
Move to approve.
Second.
Okay, there's a motion. Duly seconded with no objection. 2 billion pesos additional funding for the massive coconut planting program is approved.
Maraming salamat po to the members of the Bar C. That's it from my end. Ang bilis nga. Thank you very much.
Madam Chair, can we know the total that we gave additional to DA?
May
Saan yan?
we request the COMSEC?
Ay, yung running total, can you show the running total?
And the total that we gave to DA?
Subtotal given to DA, if we can compute, so we can show everyone.
The running total for DA, COMSEC, below, I think it's around 41 billion. But actually, some of those are conditional. Halimbawa po yung NFA, I am anticipating that we will likely have to pull that down to facilitate the fiscal space. And then we can also revisit the others, especially the big ticket items. Like, for example po, yung 4 billion pesos for the solar-powered irrigation system, kasi meron din naman po tayong ilalagay sa NIA later on. So we can take a look at both holistically para po ma-rationalize natin. The running total that we have so far, for DA, it's 41 billion, which brings us to a total of 217.41 billion. So, we are on track to as per the guidance of the President, to prioritize education, health, and agriculture. So, dun po natin nilagay yung malaking bulto nung 255 billion pesos. Thank you very much po to the members of the Bar C for your consideration.
Yes. And just to emphasize, Madam Chair, this is on top of the NEP, para lang alam ng lahat.
Opo. Kadagdagan po to, on top of the NEP. I will now move to the next agency, which is NIA. Also, in conjunction to the thrust towards prioritizing agriculture, konti lang po yung number of items. Mas mabilis po siguro to. As I said, we can take a look at this in conjunction with the solar powered irrigation, which we approved earlier. The first that I would like to propose on the part of NIA is to put additional funding towards the national irrigation system, particularly the repair and restoration of new irrigation systems. So ito po ay yung mga NIS, yung mga national irrigation canals, para po meron tayong pagpapaayos. The original proposal of the NIA is 7,122,823,000. However, I would like to put forth a proposal of 1.5 billion.